Hey guys, it's Karen Mayer. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to promote Clickbank products without a website on YouTube. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. Again, we're going to talk about how to promote Clickbank products without a website on YouTube. So the first thing you're going to do, of course, is just create a YouTube channel in your niche. And the most profitable niches, again, are health, relationships, and wealth. So we're going to go over to Clickbank here, log in, and you can see that this is working for me. I'm not focused a lot on this. It's just kind of a side thing because I am focused on another project right now, but I just wanted to show you the concept. So if we go to the marketplace here, like I said, the most profitable niches are going to be e-business and marketing, health and fitness, and then self-help would be the other one. Okay, so you can pick one of those niches. I picked make money online, or wealth. And then what you're going to do is figure out the problems that people have in your niche and create videos around those problems. And the reason for that is because people like to buy, not to be sold. I mean, you think about when you go in to buy maybe a car and you have like a really pushy car salesman, you just want to leave. But you have maybe another salesperson who's actually listening to you and trying to solve your problem and not just trying to sell you something. You're more likely to buy from that person because you can have all these videos uploaded on your channel. Nobody's buying anything from you because you're just trying to sell to them. Like maybe you have the sales video of Clickbank products uploaded into your channel and you think that people are just going to come by and buy because they see the sales video. You have to set yourself apart as somebody who's actually providing value to people and solving problems from people. You look at Oprah. Why is it that she can say a product is good and everyone goes and buys it? Because Oprah has developed a relationship with her audience that she is somebody who provides value. And then you know, like, and trust her, so when she makes a recommendation, you're going to buy from her. It's the same concept with YouTube. So what you can do then is do product reviews on products to let people know if the product is good or not. And you don't have to put a link to the product itself. So let's say I was going to be having a certain, let's go over here, a certain product in e-business and e-marketing was going to be what I'm promoting, but let's say I'm promoting super affiliate system, but I'm going to do a product review on Clickbank University. So I do my product review on Clickbank University, give lots of value, and then at the end I can have a call to action if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online. That'll be the first link in the description below the video. But then you could have a link to a lead capture page for a super affiliate system. So it doesn't have to be the product, you don't have to promote the product that you're reviewing. I mean, you can, and that's another way to do it, but you can have it just as being your top recommendation. You're reviewing all different kinds of products to let people know if this is a good product or not, because that's what people are coming to YouTube for, is to solve a problem, like should they buy this product or not? Is it good or not? So if your review is a product that you have used and gotten results with, then of course you can leave an affiliate link to the product. So that is the best way to do it. Anyway, is to buy the product, actually go out there and get a result with it, and then leave a link in the description below the video. So you can test it out. If the product's maybe around $20, you could leave a link to the sales page, because that would usually around that price point, people are making impulse buys. So if they really like it, they may just go ahead and buy it. But you can test that out if you're going to get more sales that way, because I always talk about don't directly link to a sales page. Always have a lead capture page so you're capturing leads and you can follow up with them. But if it's free traffic like YouTube, you're not going to lose any money. So you can test it out. So, using the sales page if it's a small price point like $20. But if it is something higher price point, of course you want to use a lead capture page because people won't necessarily buy on the first exposure. But definitely if you're using paid advertising, but we're talking about free here with YouTube. Definitely if you're using paid advertising like solo ads, you do want to have a lead capture page. So you want to make sure that you use good keyword research and SEO for your video. I'm not going to get into that in this video because I have 2 other videos that I did, one on keyword research and one on how to SEO optimize your video, so I'll leave those in the description below this video. But you want to make sure you do that, and sometimes people are afraid to go after keywords like super affiliate system review, but remember that you can show up on the right hand side here in the suggested videos. So don't be afraid to do keywords like that, because you will start, if you get enough content out there, you're going to start showing up in the recommended section. So I would recommend doing 1 video a day on some review or some kind of value that you're giving, like you learned something, you teach it, and that way you're going to be providing value to people. Like you could do a tutorial on something that you learned and you're giving value to people. And then again at the end you can have a call to action. If you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video, and that may be the super affiliate system or another Clickbank product is going to be your #1 recommendation. And then you can actually switch that out if you want to and test out different offers as your #1 recommendation. You could use something like Clickmagic, and then all you have to do is change out the link in Clickmagic, and then in all your videos you'll have a link to a different Clickbank product, so you can test it out and see which product may convert the best. And your keyword, again, doesn't have to be the product title in the review. So your keyword would not have to be super affiliate system review. I'm going to give you a great example. So if you went out and got a result with a certain Clickbank product, let's say, for example, you made $100, your keyword could be how to make $100 in 1 day. And then you would show the process of how you did that with that product, and then have a call to action at the end. If you want to have access to the product that gave me this result, click on the first link in the description below this video. And let me show you that over here on YouTube. So if on YouTube you have a plugin, a Google Chrome extension is what I mean, called Keywords Everywhere, you can see how many searches are for each keyword a month. So if we use this example here, how to make $100 in 1 day. So let's say you took a Clickbank product, you bought it, you got $100 commission. You could use that as your keyword, and I'll tell you that is a good keyword. So how to make, right here, how to make $100 in 1 day. There are 140 people searching for that keyword a month. So it's going to be less competitive, not as many searches, but less competitive than the product title and the word review. But the way that you find out how much competition there is for a keyword is you're going to type in all in title, colon, and then put the keyword in quotation marks. So you can see I did use that keyword here. But you're going to scroll down and see how many searches are for that exact keyword. You don't want more than 1 page, and you can see that there's hardly any for this particular keyword. So this is a really good keyword. So like I said, if you go out, you buy a Clickbank product, you make $100, go ahead and make a video about how you did that, and then have this be your keyword, how to make $100 in 1 day. and then have a call to action to that actual Clickbank product in the description below your video. So that's how I would do it. That's how I have done it. Actually, I've done reviews on certain Clickbank products. Most of them I don't feel are good products, so I won't have a call to action to that actual product. But if I do feel like it's an excellent product, I will. And so you can do it, like I said, two ways. You can provide value, do other reviews, and then have a link to your number one recommendation to whatever Clickbank product you're promoting, which you can switch out. You can actually do it in like a rotation in ClickMagick. And then you could also just get results with that video or that product, and then have a link to that actual Clickbank product sales page or lead capture page. So hope you guys found some value from how to promote Clickbank products without a website on YouTube. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, make sure you leave them in the comments below the video. And also, if there's any other type of videos that you would like me to make, different things that you'd like to learn, make sure you leave that in the comments below as well. And if you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. Also, if you want to learn my number one recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, I appreciate you guys. This is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.